Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have another unboxing, and so I thought that I would do it with you guys. This would be the last one from Coach for a while. I saw this, and I thought that this was a really good deal, and I thought I wanted to try it. So, let's take a look. Alright, so let's do the small one. I saw this, I think it was marked down, and I looked at it and put it in my cart and took it out. But I could just see myself trying to wear this with something really cute, like a really cute dressy dress. But then I was thinking maybe these crystals might snag on the dress. But in the end, I had to try it. I thought it was pretty. And I haven't, I've been admiring this particular style of purse anyway. But I haven't tried this yet, the Penn. So I think all things came together when they needed to. Look how well this thing is wrapped. All right. I know a lot of people complain about the wrapping, but I don't. I appreciate it. Look how pretty this thing is. And that is my favorite shade of blue right there. I call that a cobalt blue, like the beads are. Now this is more like a, in my opinion, a midnight blue, but this, the beads are making it, in my opinion, looks more like a cobalt. So pretty. Okay, so let's take all of this off. Give me just a second, guys. Okay, so I have that one unwrapped. And look how cute it is. I love it. This is so pretty. So this little side loop right here is probably going to share a bag charm. But look how pretty this is. And it was on clearance, I believe. So let's see. That is what it's called. I think I paid like $176 for this. I haven't had this particular style of purse. I've eyed it for a while, but I never pulled the trigger. I think this is stunning. I love this. I absolutely love this. And I haven't seen anybody unbox this and talk about this, but you guys are missing out on this. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I will link it. All right, so now this one is a little bit, feels like it's a little tight. Oh, we got a dust bag. So I think I got this on the outlet side, but I think this was like a last chance retail. Look how cute. All right, so I think that's how I ended up with a dust bag. How cute, because this thing does need a dust bag. I'm so happy that I have one. You ready? And let's find that sensor. I don't need problems. Well, I didn't find the sensor. All right. Okay, so these look a little tight, but I'm sure they do fit a credit card. So you got 1, 2, 3 slots. And then you got your creed back here. And it's leather all in there. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Look at that color. Look at the leather popping off that color. It's so pretty. And I really love silver. And so I love that this came with silver hardware. I think that is like the best thing you could do with this. But then again, hey, if they, you know what, gunmetal might have been pretty too. But I think the silver just makes this pop. But so that's that one, guys. It's so pretty. I'm so glad I went ahead and picked this up. Okay, so that's that one. And then let's take a look at number 2. All right. So this one I kept looking at, and I was like, I'm trying to save money for the Black Friday and then the December drop. There's that that cherry purse that I really want one of those Rowans. But I kept looking at this, and I was just like, this is just too pretty, and I think it was a really good deal to pass up. But again, I haven't seen anybody going after this. But let me show you what I picked up, guys. Okay, isn't she pretty? Now I thought I wouldn't like that crinkle leather, but I have it in the Ashton, and I'm really happy with that. And so when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So let's take all of this off. I'm becoming a fan of the Teri. I was never really a fan of the Teri because I am a big purse girl, but I do like the Teri now. I have learned how to slim down in all aspects of my life, and slimming down on what I carry in my purse is also one of the things I've learned to do. All right, so that is the name of that one. And I believe I got this on the outlet side as well. I don't remember if this is a last chance. or if this was originally on the, let's see if we got a dust bag that'll tell me. Okay, it doesn't look like I have a dust bag. And then, let's see. Well, it doesn't have an F. Well, anyway, okay, and then there's the dreaded sensor. And look, so these Teris, they have more room than you think they do. And so, even for people who are big purse girls, we can use the Teri. Don't be afraid of the Teri, y'all. Okay, so give me just a second. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, I picked this up because I thought it was just stunning. You know, sometimes some of the Coach bags, they have the Teris, they have the Coach name here. This one doesn't. We don't have any feet. It's so pretty. So I am going out of town next month. And when I looked at this, I really thought that this is, in my opinion, really a double use kind of bag. Like you can, like when you use the big guitar strap here, you can go crossbody. And this will be a good like outlet shopping bag or whatever. You know, you put it on and you can go crossbody. But then they also included this thing right here is what really made me pick this up. So let's say later on you're going out to dinner, you can drop the big strap there, and then this becomes a cute little dinner bag. It's really, really cute. And then when you are doing that shopping that you're doing, and that chain becomes decorative. I think that this is truly a versatile bag. You can make this crossbody, you can make this shoulder, you know, because you can adjust it. Look at all those details, the crinkled leather. I am becoming a fan of the crinkled leather. Now, what will I put in this? I'm thinking my earbuds. I think I feel pretty good that this is not going to come off. So I think I would probably put earbuds here. I think you got enough room to put earbuds and sanitizer in there. And then that will free up more room in here. I just really, really like this bag. What do y'all think? Did y'all pick this up? I think it's so pretty and functional and versatile. It's just all the things. So we got that. And then this one. So this is definitely going in my luggage. That is definitely coming with me next week. We're having a family reunion. We're going out of town. And maybe this one too. Anyway, what do y'all think? Did y'all pick this up? Are you thinking about picking it up? Or are you waiting on the Black Friday drop? So I would love to hear what y'all think. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.